Hi guys, today we're going to do some automation on vocals. I got the basic sound going already. I just want to level some words, get them in the mix. Let's jump into Ableton. This song is going to come out soon on this channel. It's a collaboration with a drummer from Las Vegas. I'm in Reykjavik, so it's kind of a long distance collaboration. Let's listen to it. I'm gonna open up a utility. Why utility? Utility lets me do automation and keep my fader free. So if I'm gonna have if I want to do half the beat later or 1 dB up or down, if I automate the utility gain, then I don't have to mess with the main fader. It gives me freedom then to use the fader for other things. So I'm automating that. Right click on the gain, show automation, and we can start listening. I'm going